Hope you're having a lovely day and you're searching for another recipe. This is the Majestic Cupcakery.
Have you always wanted to mix up that classic cupcake, but just don't know what to do? Well, in this video I'll show you how to get this super cute butterfly effect inside your cupcake. It's so much easier than you think. So you want to start off with 175 grams of butter and add that to your mixer, followed by 175 grams of caster sugar. Just pop that on a medium speed and mix it until it's paler in colour and nice and light and fluffy. This batter is going to form the cakes that will be the butterfly centre in the cupcakes. Later on we will be making the cupcake batter. Once it's like this, you're ready to add your eggs. I'm going in with 3 eggs that I've just mixed together, and I'm just adding a little bit at a time until it's all fully incorporated. Once you're happy, it's time for the flour. I'm going in with 175 grams of self-raising flour and adding that in. In this bowl I have about a tablespoon of milk mixed with about half a teaspoon of pink food gel to make the centre pretty and cute. I've just used the Wilton Pink. Go ahead and add that into the bowl with the rest of your ingredients. Give it one final mix around and combine everything together, and it'll get the colour evenly dispersed. You don't have to use pink, you could use whatever colour you wish, so the centre is a colour of your choice. The batter is now mixed and looks super yummy, so let's put that into some cake tins. I've lined 2 8-inch tins with some greaseproof, and I'm just using an ice cream scoop to evenly spread it into 2 tins. The reason I'm putting it into 2 tins is because I don't want the layers to be too thick that it takes up too much room in your cupcake case. These are now going into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Once it's cooled it should look something like this. I've just taken the caramelisation off the tops so you get the lovely pink insides. I'm then going in with this cute little butterfly cutter that I've got to cut out 12 individual butterflies. I suppose you don't have to use a butterfly if you don't want. You could use any cutter shape you wanted, like a love heart that I've seen quite a few people do. You just want to make sure that the cutter isn't too big for the cupcake case that you'll be putting it in. This is our little butterfly centre. Carry on cutting out until you have all 12. Set them aside as you go, somewhere you can leave them while you make your cupcake batter. Here we go, all 12 are ready. Now it's time to make the cupcake batter. It's pretty much the same recipe as the cake batter, just without the food colour. It's also the same method, so starting with your butter and sugar and mixing until light and fluffy. Adding in your 3 eggs a little at a time. And finally the flour. Don't forget your vanilla extract for that extra vanilla flavour. Once it's all incorporated, it's ready to be added to the cases. So I've got my tins lined with the cupcake cases, and my trusty ice cream scoop is back to add the mixture into the cases. Just go along and fill them up. All of the recipes will be in the description if you need them. Now it's time to add your butterfly centre. Grab one of them and place it upright in the centre of the cupcake. Press it down as far as it will go so the pattern is all the way to the bottom. Do this on the rest of your cases. You're then ready to put them in the oven at 160 degrees fan for about 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. This is what your cupcakes should look like once they've been baked. I've then just got some vanilla buttercream that I've added a little bit of pink food gel to, just to make this a pastel pink. I have my piping bag fitted with a large round nozzle, and I'm then going to pipe a swirl on top. Try to remember which is the front of your cupcake when doing this. I have done this many times and you don't know where to cut for the pattern, so yeah, keep that in mind. Finish it off with a few sprinkles. You might want to put them in a way that you then know which is the front. And there you go, that's how it's done. Once you cut it in half, it reveals your super cute butterfly centre. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos. I'll see you all next time. Bye!